Elsaology. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a different type of video. Today we are celebrating something that's pretty monumentous, to me at least, and that's my 100 subscriber count right here. Well, right now it's 102. As of this recording, YouTube will not send me a play button, so I decided to fix that. Next. 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 And here it is, the completed paper play button that I have created for myself. It is to commemorate my 100 subs. I do want to say thank you so much for all 100 of you. Thank you for subscribing to me. Thank you for the information that you're giving me about other K-pop groups I've been reacting to my other videos that are not as popular, but I still put some time into it. Just thank you so much from really the bottom of my heart for subscribing. And I hope that we can continue on and I continue creating content, and that I hope I can make you guys enjoy my videos. And if you guys have any feedback, just let me know down below. I am creating a 100 subscribers special. It's going to be a Q&A, so if you do have any questions for me, please leave them down below, and I would more than likely answer it during the 100 subscribers special. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves and bye.